In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your PS4 controller without taking it apart. So this is a temporary fix, and at some point you'll likely have to clean the inside of your controller to fix it permanently. So the first thing you want to do is press down on both of the analog sticks at the same time. Then after a few seconds you can release. Then what you want to do is rotate your analog sticks counterclockwise along the border for 3 rotations, and then go clockwise for 3 rotations, and then press down on both your analog sticks again. Now this is in an attempt to remove any dirt, dust, or debris buildup within your controller. And now what we're going to do is the same thing, except you want to press down on your analog sticks while going clockwise as well as counterclockwise for 3 full rotations. So after you've done this, test out your PS4 controller to see if the stick drift is fixed. And if not, the next thing I recommend you do is to press your analog stick to the one border and then press down, and you'll see a gap that's created. So you can either blow into that gap and work around the circumference of the analog stick, and if you have a compressed air can for doing this, even better. And you can also use electronic contact cleaner. Just be wary that if you use too much, you can stain your analog stick like you can see on mine. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.